Even if you're healthy, it's always a good idea to start to prepare for future long-term care needs earlier rather than later. There's basically 4 stages that you're going to be working through during this process. The first one is to go ahead and get your estate planning documents in place. That might be your will, so that if you just die and we have an after-death transfer, it kind of pops over here. We can take care of who's going to be in charge, who's getting what, and how they're going to get their assets, whether in trust or in person, that sort of thing. You're also going to have like a general durable power of attorney and a healthcare power of attorney. You want these because we're living longer and longer. It doesn't mean we just die all the time. Because we don't just die, we might have a long-term care need or asset preservation planning that needs to be done. If you don't have the capacity or the ability to make those decisions as we're going along this continuum, that general durable power of attorney or healthcare power of attorney is really, really important. You've nominated somebody to help you make those decisions, to take care of your finances, to take care of your real estate as well. Also, it gets to be very confusing if we get all the way down the road here, and let's say we're 75, 80, 85, and something happens out of the blue. And now we've got to figure out what kind of care we need, how we're going to pay for it, and we haven't even addressed our documents or if we can preserve something. It gets to be a very confusing and difficult time in that sort of crisis type of planning because you're not sleeping well, you're not eating well, it's very overwhelming. So again, even if you're healthy, start sooner. Start with step 1. And then come back and start with step 2. Start figuring out what it is you want to preserve, what you want to transfer, what you need to retain, so that if we can get right up to this line right here, as close as possible, if and when this comes up, we're ready for it. It isn't a crisis. We've been planning for it. And then should you pass away, we'll have the documents in place in order to transfer assets to the people you love in the way you want them to go.